Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a Spring is in the Air Spring Tablescape Challenge, hosted by Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and Bree's Project Book. So go and check out both those ladies' channels that I'll link down below, along with the playlist, so you can watch everything that everybody is putting up for this challenge. So let's get going. I'm going to show you what I am doing for my brunch table. This is the brunch table I set up. I'm going to begin with this beautiful coffee cup that used to be my grandmother's. She loved using this in the spring. It has this wonderful basket weave design and flower on it, and it just screams spring. Next, I have this tangerine in this little dessert cup that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And my white plates are also from the Dollar Tree, as well as my goblets. My little clear plates here, those I thrifted, and I was lucky enough to pick those up for just 25 cents a piece. My silverware that I'm going to be using is just my regular everyday silverware. And my napkins, my linen napkins, I thrifted those also. As we go through everything that I'm going to be using on my brunch table here, you're going to find that most of the stuff that I have on here is thrifted or from the Dollar Tree, except for the flowers. All of my flowers came from Walmart. Now here I have a little juicer, and that was thrifted as well. All my rabbits and all my little decor pieces, almost all of them were thrifted in the last few weeks. The aqua blue bowl up on top of my candle stand there is from Dollar Tree, as well as my metallic eggs. And my flameless candle inside my blue bowl here, that came from Walmart. I just love this tablescape. I think it's perfect for a brunch. We have our little juicer where we can make some juice. We have our goblets where we can put some juice in there. We have our coffee cups for some coffee or tea. Our small plates would just be perfect for a little bit of quiche or something before we have some pancakes or French toast on our dinner plate. I love this brunch table. I absolutely adore these tall Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit here in the center. And this porcelain little rabbit hugging a bouquet of flowers right here is so sweet looking. And just a little vase with a pink rose inside of it there as well. All of my rabbits, like I said, were thrifted. I have this little planner rabbit holder on the far right side that you see. I put a couple votive candles inside of a couple of my little dessert cups, the same ones that I'm using on my plates with the tangerines in them. So it just kind of helps tie that all in. And a good trick, if you do that, if you put just a couple drops of oil in the bottom of your little cups like that, when you melt your candles, if any wax drips down, they'll easily pop right out. All that wax will pop right out if you put just a couple drops of oil in the bottom of your little cups there. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.